Hello and welcome to this week's tour of my allotment. I am a bit red, I've been out in the sun, but this week we'll be showing you around my plot, showing you what I've been planting, what's growing and the transformation of my plot and how it's getting on this week. I've done quite a lot of work, so it's good to show you how exactly I'm getting on down here on the plot. So let's have a tour of the plot. So this is the front of my plot where all my spring bulbs are growing. I'm just looking at these tulips. Absolutely fantastic. I only planted these in November and they've done absolutely brilliant. So much colour. So interesting looking inside them. And the hyacinths, they're just starting to die off now. But they've done fantastic as well and they smell absolutely beautiful. Look at them. Absolutely loads of colour up there. When they all die off, I'm going to plant some flowers at the front of my plot because it definitely adds attraction to it and makes it look nice, and the bees enjoy it as well. So on my plot, I've got some compost delivered, so that's a good sign. I've got my spring onions in these raised beds. Yep. There's no sign of them popping through yet, and I've got some dwarf beans along the front and along the back. There's no signs of them popping through yet. Down this side I've got autumn raspberries. They're all growing. They're getting shoots on them, which are looking good. Down here I've got my blueberry bushes. I only planted them last year and I think they're doing alright. Let me know if I should be doing anything special. I know you meant to give them water, which I've been doing. But they're flowering, so that's a good sign. So that means I'll get some blueberries, fingers crossed. I've also planted lily bulbs down this side there, and they're all starting to pop through, which is a good sign. So hopefully that'll add a lot of colour and smell and attract the bumblebees to my plot. As you've got to help the bees, you've certainly got to help them. This is my Victoria plum tree. This is my best asset on my plot. I absolutely love these plums when they come. I get a great crop off them. The blossom's dying off now, so fingers crossed they'll get plums growing inside them. And if you look, let me see if I can get my camera. I've got one coming, so the plums are growing, which is fantastic. I'll be eating them this year, so no spring onions popping through in there yet. Keep it watered. This is my bamboo tree bush, and this is doing pretty good. I planted that last year. I've never grown bamboo before. I know it can be nasty and spread, but if I keep control of it, we'll see how we get on. But that's the one that I'm growing. And that's a little goji berry bush, which I planted last year as well. So we'll see how that gets on. Can't grow much at the minute, but if you've got any tips on goji berries, let me know. Another lily bulb popping through, so they're doing fantastic. This is my rhubarb area. I picked some of that this morning, but as you can tell, I've still got absolutely loads left. Down this side I've also planted beans, so we'll see if they grow. I've never grown in this area before. I had my strawberry plants here last week, if you probably remember. I've moved them into beds now, so I planted beans in this area. This is my pear tree, and it's doing really well, my pear tree. It's looking brilliant. I had a few pears on it last year, so fingers crossed I get some more this year. And as you can see, where is it? There you go. I've got one growing, so that is a good sign. And that's my cooking apple tree. I gave that a good cutting back this year, so I might not get some this year, but we will see. If I do, I do, and if I don't, I'll get some next year. So it needed chopping back. So down here I've got an apple tree. This did fantastic last year. It did so well, it was so heavy it was breaking the branches. So we'll have to see how it gets on, but we'll see. And down that side I planted some more French beans, but no sign of them yet. I got absolutely loads of beans in bulk sale last year, so I've just planted them everywhere. So down here, that's my lemon balm. That does really well. And I don't often use it, but I just use it to smell it. If you've grown lemon balm, you'll know it smells absolutely beautiful. And down this side, I planted some sweet peas and some carrots, but it looks like it's just weeds are growing at the moment, and bindweed, which I keep pulling out. I know why it's called bindweed, because it's an absolute bind. Down this side is where I planted my rhubarb last year, what I grew from seed. So that's doing well. I'm just letting it grow at the moment, I'm not pulling it. But yeah, we'll see how that gets on. And behind it I planted peas to grow up this mesh. So that usually doesn't look there. Down here are where I planted all my potatoes. No sign of them popping through yet. I keep giving them more water. More bindweed. But yeah, as soon as they start popping through, I'll chuck soil on top and keep them covered over. Because the more you chuck soil on, the more potatoes you'll get. And it'll stop them from going green if they're near the surface. And green potatoes are poisonous, so don't eat green potatoes. This is where all my strawberries are. As you can tell, I absolutely love strawberries. So I've got 3 beds of them, which I'll keep adding to each year. As you can never have enough strawberries, and I do not share them with anyone. And down this bit here, I've planted more peas, but no sign of them popping through yet. So fingers crossed soon with this nice glorious weather. And down here, I've got some summer growing raspberries. So you just chop the ends off them ones, you don't cut them down to the base each year. And say grow, and then you'll grow what grows that year, previous year. So we'll see how we get on with them. And I think some of them are getting ready to flower, look. So that's a good sign. Keep watering them. And I've noticed a lot more bees this year, whether it's because of the lockdown and less pollution. But this is my garlic. I planted that in November. That's doing really well. And those are my onions. I planted them in November this year rather than the big round now to give them that extra bit time. So we'll see how we get on with that. It's the first time I've started them in November. So yeah, those are where I put some more raspberry cane runners, which will go in wild into my strawberry beds. So fingers crossed they grow and take. I planted them at the beginning of the year. I want to have a full row hedge of raspberries. That's the plan. But we'll see how we get on with that. So yeah, I've been clearing all these beds out because I want to get the first half of my plot done. And I want to get it all cleared, the first half, which is these 9 beds. And I've nearly done it all. So I've got to lay the paths back down and I've got to paint all the beds. So that's what we plan on doing next week. So you'll have to stay tuned for next week's video to see what it looks like and see it all spruced up. So fingers crossed I'll get all that done next week if it doesn't rain, which we do need some rain because it's absolutely dry. But yeah, that's how that's getting on. So we're inside my shed now. As you can tell, everything's dry, it all needs good watering, but everything is going really well. Apart from some geraniums which aren't popping through. It's the first time I've grown geraniums, so we'll see how we get on. I keep giving them a water. But my cucumbers popping through this week. When they get bigger, they'll be transplanted into separate pots. My melons, my aubergines. I've never grown aubergines from seed before, I've just bought a plant before in the past, so we'll see how we get on with them. But absolutely loads of flowers are growing. Zinnias. I'm hoping to grow a lot of flowers this year to attract the bees and obviously to make the plot look nice. Red spring onion. I've never grown red spring onion or tried red spring onion, but we'll see how we get on. Sweet corn. If you've never grown melon before, try growing it if you've got a polytunnel or a greenhouse, as it's so easy to grow as long as it's warm and the bees can pollinate it. If not, pollinate it yourself by using the tickle brush in the flowers, which is a little tip for you. I use a little paintbrush and I just tickle each flower to pollinate them myself. But yeah, everything seems to be growing really well. The tomatoes are coming through, the peppers are coming also. More cucumbers, lots more flowers, lots of tomatoes. I like to grow my tomatoes. I like to grow a few different varieties. I just take the best plants from each one. As you can tell, I've got a lot of seeds growing. My sunflowers, so they're doing really well. I need to put them into separate pots soon. My squash and my courgette, they're popping through now, which is excellent because I always love growing them. And all my other seeds, lots of leeks and spring onions. And then this area, these are all planted early on. They're all doing really well and ready for potting up, which will be next week's task as well. So tune back next week to see how we get on with potting all them up. And I'll share videos on how to do it as well. My broccoli definitely needs potting up. And yeah, cabbages, cauliflowers, they all need potting up to make them look nice. So yeah, and there's moss flowers. They're not all popping through yet. I've planted them this week, so fingers crossed they'll pop through soon. These are where I've planted all my runner beans in these. I've put holes in the bottom. I use milk cartons. Why pay for something when you can get free milk cartons? As long as they've got holes in them, they'll work as seed trays. So yeah. So as you can tell, we've got absolutely loads growing down here on the allotment, which will hopefully need potting up a lot of it next week. But I'm planning on getting all my plot cleared within the next couple of weeks so that I can concentrate back on the plants again, as I want to get all the plot cleared and ready and painted and freshened up, ready for May when I'll be planting out, as you don't want to be planting out yet just in case the frost comes and kills all the plants off, which you do not want at all. It's a waste and it's not worth it. You might as well just wait an extra month and plant it out when it's no chance of frost. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe and also click the bell so that you get notified when new posts come up. Also feel free to check my website out in the description below, and also join my Facebook if you're not part of my Facebook, The Yorkshire Gardener, to follow everything on there, as I do live streams and share tips on there as well. So thanks for watching this week's tour. Make sure you come back for next week's tour, and until next time, remember, keep gardening.